Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn how to use the words this, is, and a while we meet some colorful animals from A to Z. We use the word this to talk about something right in front of us. So if we see a cat, we can say, "This is a cat." Is a word that connects this to what we're talking about. It helps us say what something is. And a is a little word that helps us talk about one single thing, like a cat or a dog. Now, let's explore all the colorful animals from A to Z using this, is, and a. Are you ready? This is a purple color antelope. This is a pink color beautiful bear. This is a green color cute cat. This is a golden color cute dog. This is a pink color elephant. This is a blue color fox. This is a green color goat. This is a purple color horse. This is a yellow color iguana. This is a pink color cute jackal. This is a green color kangaroo. This is a red color lion. This is a blue color monkey. This is a purple color numbat. This is a pink color okapi. This is a green color panda. This is a yellow color quokka. This is a blue color rabbit. This is a pink color sheep. This is a yellow color tiger. This is a green color Euromastix. This is a blue color vicuna. This is a pink color weasel. This is a yellow color xeris. This is a purple color yak. This is a pink and green color zebra.